Kits Crows.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to work. They said they need me today. So let's get my stuff and get out of here. Hang on. There we go. It's kind of gray. Ooh, dove. I wonder if it's gonna rain. Whoa! Look at all them. That's a big V. Dang trees in the way though. Still gotta lock up. Are they turning? Oh well. Oh. There they go. Neat. So I don't know if it's gonna rain. I'm not bringing my umbrella. I got one at work. I just don't want the weight if I don't need it. And it's fine for now. Oh, they cleaned up. Nice. Little magpie. Probably looking for worms. I gotta go. I'm just heading to work.
This work first.
Hi, Boose. Hello. Such a sweetie.
It's like, yay, that's yay. Yeah, let her go on. Have a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, but they're not gathering by the chickens. Oh, hey, there's my crows. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Let's go down to the chickens. Come on over here. He made a funny little noise. Oh, hey, there he is. And the chickens are out. Okay, time for treats.
Usually on the ground right by the chickens?
The starlings, no, they gather up on the lines above us.
Yeah, that's what I was
Actually,
in front of my house a lot.
yeah. Yeah, I don't see the starlings yet. Okay, guys, you got a treat. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, I see him. He's in the bush. Oh, there's another one there. Oh. Yeah. Waiting their turn. Getting in line. Like, can I? Just one bit, please? Alright guys, I gotta go. Oh, did you see it? Go join the party. Hey, you need a treat, don't you? I saw you beeline right towards me. Hang on. I'll put a little pile over here. Okay. Oh, there's another little one. Yeah. Better go join. See, he's right there. Oh, and there's another one. Oh, it's a dove. Anyway, I gotta go. Ooh. He's been following me for like a block. But there's too many kids back there. Oh, hello. I'm coming. He's got a friend nearby too in some trees. I see ya. Somewhere over there. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Right away. All the little ones are gathering. Whole bunch of them. Yay! They know what's up. Oh! Alright, I gotta go. Ooh, hello! I just got out of Safeway. What up, buddy? You just swooped right by my ankles. 1 second. Okay. There you go. That should be plenty. Yeah. Well, enjoy. I'm gonna head home now. Ooh, here goes a crow friend. Should I bring you a treat? There's a person nearby. I didn't want to get them on camera, but I don't think they're coming this way. How you doing, buddy? Here. I'll leave you a little treat right here. There we go. Okay. Yay. Yummy treats. Enjoy. I'm gonna head home. There's our kitty. See? Kitty. I'll pet it if I can catch up to it. I wonder if that's Granger. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. I see it behind the bush. Kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi. Oh, hang on. Oh, tried to get my bag off. Kitty, kitty. Hi. Kitty, kitty. I don't know your name. Hi. Meow. You okay? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're filthy now. Oh. Oh, get all that stuff off. You're covered. Kitty, kitty. Oh, you're so cute and dirty. Look at all this. Getting into my groceries. It's just apples and kimchi. You don't know what to do with that. Oh, time to stand up. Oh, my bag's caught. Hang on. There we go. Carrying a lot of frozen stuff, so my bag's heavy. Bye bye, kitty.